you think Max is gonna take the trophy? Is taking the trophy home? I don't know. I've got too much anxiety over that. I don't know. I just think I don't want to talk about it. It's quite frustrating because McLaren is not backing off as well. So, I don't know what to do, guys. I look like I don't fart. That is crazy. Well, thank you. What are we up to today? I don't think there's anybody who doesn't do that, you know. But if that's your question, yeah, I think I do. Thank you. don't speak Tswana. I'm a Swati. I speak Siswati. No, guys, I'm not married. I don't know if I have to iron this or what, but I just don't want the sun to kill me. Like, I don't want the sun to literally do things to me. So, I got my nails done last night, and I'm so happy that I got them done. And I did my toes as well, actually very beautiful. I don't know what kind of shoes I'm supposed to be wearing, but I already know what cologne I'm wearing. So thank you, Ashley Jordan. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Your man is lucky to have you. You're one in a million. I'm lucky to have him. I love him so much. I'm in love with him. Thank you so much. I'm so lucky to have him. My family, everybody is getting married. Today we're doing, this is what we call it, Tinjana. So gonna Tinjana this one. Thank you, love. If you're allowed to slant it. I don't know what slant means. Maybe it's flaunt. Do that infamous thing that you always do. So guys, it's gonna be so hot where I'm going. It is going to be extremely hot, and and the worst part about it is that it's actually so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's it's like the guys in is Tinjan and the thing is can anybody who's Swati help me here? Kuti sitini Tinjana na Puma Tinjana Situini is Singis. I don't know. But it's like I don't know. I don't know. It's not a fit, it's just like this is a bathing suit and then the skirt, then the cover for the skirt. And then I'll also use something because it is going to be very hot. It's actually it's very hot. I woke up so early at 5. I started washing some things that are on the line right now. But yeah guys, that's just my day today. I don't know guys, let me just grab it because like my guy had made me tea, so let me grab it. Guys, my nails are from Meyer Nailed Them. They're so good. I actually didn't think that in Swaziland they actually had this kind of nails. So I'm very happy for them. So I don't know if I should put a flower, but in my head, I don't think so though. You guys, there's a pimple on my face that I wouldn't like to show because, you know, it's right here. It is the craziest thing ever. I woke up with it 2 days ago. And I'm not a good pimple because it's on my face. So hi from Congo, how are you? I will definitely drive safe, thank you. I don't think I should put any flowers. But I don't know if I have a blue flower, you know, or a white one. It wouldn't look nice. I just don't know what bag I should use. I actually wore this outfit June last year. I wore it June last year off of my other friend's wedding. So just like a simple thing, guys. A traditional wear. But I need to pack quite a lot of things because I don't want to get there and be burnt by that sun, because it is hot. Hey guys, I don't know why it gets so hot when you have things to do, but then when you don't have things to do, it just gets cold and it's suddenly a stay indoor weather, you know. Thank you, my love. And I also know that it's December. Most of you guys like going out. Oh, thank you so much. You guys like going out and get drunk. Don't get drunk, guys. Superior, my brother, Dlamini, I know you like alcohol. Forget alcohol, Superior. Focus. Somebody needs to put a ring on it. I ain't looking for a ring. I don't want a ring. I want a big house for myself. So, are you married now? Not yet married, guys. Soon, I guess. If anybody sees a potential wife in me, then I'll be married. But for now, guys, I don't think anybody is looking at me and saying, oh yeah, I want to marry Blue. No, not yet. Not yet. How old are you then? I'm 24. And I'm turning 25 January on the 4th. Guys, I'm not getting any younger. I'm getting wasted soon. I'm gonna be 30 in the next 5 years. Like the worst thing a person would ever do to age. I'm going to Amalobolo because I couldn't actually find the app definition. Amalobolo. I know some people out here are just looking and paving for information if I'm still dating the person that you want. I'm dating him. Why do people feel the need to attack a woman that they're... If I'm dating your ex, why are you attacking me? Why are you stalking me? Like, why are you stalking me? Or if I'm dating someone that you want, why then attack me? Why don't you go to him? You're a loser. do you attend church? My mom's church, yes, I do. Often I attend church most of the time, but not all the time, you know. But my mom always says all the time, we should go all the time. And we do. But my brother goes with my mom all the time. Me, I'm kind of hard convincing to go to church. My mom's church is up there in the mountains, you know, and I have to have like a truck. I did have a truck, and then I had a Mercedes, and I couldn't drive my Mercedes up in there. I just need the truck, and I don't have the truck, but that's not an excuse. I'm just saying I don't have a truck anymore, so I can't drive. It's in the mountains, guys, in the mountains, and there's like not even a great parking spot yet, but like, yeah, anyway. That's not an excuse, guys, but like, my mom's church, the service for 8 o'clock to I don't know what time, but they be in the church though throughout the day. Like, there's so many services throughout the day, and my mom will attend all of those services. Like, she will attend all of those. Please tell us a story in your language, but then you won't understand. I don't have any stories. Or do you need a bill paid, mama? Yeah, I do. I do, actually, I do. So guys, I'm not gonna be here long because I do have to go, and I am also bringing the alcohol from the side, the drinks, so I have to drive down. But guys, thank you so much for joining the live with me, and thank you for being nice to me today, and thank you for listening to me rant about everything. We just want to hear your natural sweet voice, but then you won't understand what I'm saying, you know. You won't understand a word I say if I speak my language. Ngaphandle nangabe ukhona ukusi-understand, mina ubiza ngiqhubeke ngikhulumisana lesiswati nangabe funa ukuthi ngisikhulume. Kepha ngiyathi usakhona amaswati lakhona la tangi. Angathi ngibatranslate la ibakutshela ukuthi ngithini. So guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu kuba nami la. Nami sengiyahamba manje. And I will probably see you later, guys, when I'm with my friends, my family friends, and still. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the lovely comments.